Hello and welcome back to my channel. This how my day starts here. I'm here in my neighbor's auntie's house. So whenever I don't like my home's breakfast, I come here. She used to make me a healthy breakfast. So this is the moong dal, boiled one, and I have a cup of tea. It's her kitty. She loves cats. So in my home also there is a small garden. So I thought to show you that. Come with me. I was about to pour water in it, so I thought to share you with guys also. My dad and mom is like very fond of garden. So everything I just learned from them. So can you see this? This is just a bottle and how they... This is a great idea. I will try to do it in Bangalore. And one more unique thing I wanted to show you guys. So this is a bamboo actually. So as you can see, they cut the bamboo in between and they planted the grass tree in it. It's looking so beautiful. So the same, this, we have the small one. So we will try to do with this also today. So as we all preparing for a home tour today, so I thought to give you guys a home tour. So welcome. So here we have a sitting area. So our friends, everyone used to come and we used to chill out here. We have a fan and a table, everything over here. And this side we have our little garden. And come. This is all a rented house and this door belongs to us. And here our miss stays. Hi. You may know her. So she's my mother, as all you know. So let's come inside. So before coming inside, let me tell you guys, we have a very small house, but it's a very cute little house actually. So this is our living area. Living area come bedroom also. We used to sleep here also. And the very beautiful portion of our house is there right off the camera. Come, I will show you. So I just want to show the person who owned this, who win this, the owner of all this prizes and medals. So I just want to show him. This all belongs to this guy, my elder brother. So I just wanted to share. I was like very excited to show all these medals to you, and we are like a very proud parents and proud sister of him. So all this medal belongs to him. There is not 1, 2, 3 or 10. There is so many and I don't even know how much is there. Did you even know? Pata hai tumko kitna hai?
90 cross kuch ho.
So he is selling 90 cross something. Can you guys imagine? He's having trophies around 90. So this is our small TV and this is our divan. And here also we have the most biggest trophy in our house. So this area belongs to our Jesus Christ. We praise here. So as you all met in yesterday's vlog, this little boy, our little cousin. So he's simply playing with my laptop actually. And yes, I wanted to show you guys this car. Actually, this is my last birthday gift from Dias. And this guy is so lucky. From me, this shifted to him. So he's like born lucky. So yes, now I will take you guys to the bedroom. Come. So here we have one bed and table to study, or I have to do some my editing work or something. And mostly they don't use also. If I am there, so I will be using everything here. So here also we have some decorative items, and here also we have, this belongs to my dad actually, this medal, and this also belongs to my dad. And here we have some decorative items. This is our bed, and this is the only almirah we have. So this is very old Almirah, and I have a lots of memories with this. And so here we have our kitchen actually, and we are not using it. We have the storage things in it. So as you know, we have a hotel, so my mom can't do both the sides, so she cooks there itself. So I have, this is some around old 9-10 years, so this is a very precious of mine. And here we have the speaker. We don't have place to keep it, somehow we managed here. And yes, all this is my house. Far from our house, around कितना किलोमीटर है ये?
14.
Around 14 kilometers to take enjoyment in one waterfall. So yes, come, we are all together.
हाँ ठीक. देखना वो इसको नहीं. हाँ 3-4 कुत्ता आगे जाते हैं. वो लोग देख ले. ओके.
कैसी है? So she found his friend here. Hey, kutta. Maybe we'll move. So basically ये एक गांव है हमारे घर से कुछ 14-15 किलोमीटर की दूरी में. So बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे. तो वैसा ही यहाँ पे एक घर है और आपको छोटा सा एक लुक देखने मिलेगा यहाँ का एक लिविंग स्टाइल का. और यहाँ हमारे पास बहुत सारे
आप नहीं आइए कभी.
Oh my God.
ऐसे चलते रहो, स्पीड चलो.
मैडम आराम से आना.
सही आता था. चलो 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 तुम चलो पहले. चलो उधर नहीं दिखा था. चलो चलो वो तारकन भी आ जाए ना वहाँ चलते.
So guys, finally. तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही पानी. चलो इसे पहले उतरो ना. साफ उतरेगा तो नहीं. साफ तो ऊपर रहेगा पानी के अंदर. So we are planning to get inside. Finally, I don't know. I'm not feeling good also. Then also he is there. He knows to swim everything. He is a great swimmer. Renzo.
फ्री छोड़ देना.
दीदी आराम से कहाँ जाती है?
हाथ में से पकड़ के ठेल के ना पैर मारते रहो, आगे जाते रहेगा। डूबेगा थोड़ी, पकड़े रहो, थोड़ी डूबेगा। हाँ
Backward. Oh no, backstroke, पहुंच गया।
So guys, I just had a great fun today and we are going back now. And please let me know in the comments below about this waterfall if anyone knows about this. And okay, let's go. So here guys, I'm ending this vlog. Please let me know in the comments below, did you guys enjoy it? I will be waiting for your comment. All this much for today. I'll see you in the next upcoming vlogs. Till then, take care. Bye bye.